Now, some changes create immediate results. Not every change takes months. Some things create relief almost immediately. Getting dressed first thing, doing dishes before bed, getting up 30 minutes earlier. One small change can create a ripple effect throughout your entire day. When I only changed one thing, getting up earlier and dressing first thing, the results were far reaching in my life. I felt better. Other people could tell. It affected so many other things in my day and in my life that it was just almost hard to believe. So it's true that there are some things that are going to take a while, and we'll talk about that today too. And we've talked about that before. And I'm not saying that the whole house is going to be cleaned up right away. If we didn't get into the mess overnight, we're not going to get out of it overnight. It's true. But it doesn't mean that it's going to be like it is when you're trying to like lose weight and get fit, or when you're trying to start a garden. So we'll use the garden analogy. So you are going to start a garden. So you dig everything up, you dig your grass up, you make it so that the ground is nice and loose. You get some fertilizer or whatever, you put that down and mix it up in it. You get your seeds, you plant them in the ground, or even if you're going to get some plants, you get them, you plant them in the ground, and then what? Then you wait. What do you have to do every day? Got to get out there and make sure it gets watered. What else do you have to do? You've got to weed. What happens after a week? Not much. 10 days? Nothing much. 2 weeks? Nothing much. A month? Not that much. Depending on what plant you have, it's quite a while before you can, start to harvest something or even start to see anything amazing. It happens, though. It happens. And we all know that it happens. Everything isn't like that, though. When you start the Tidy Tutor Masterclass, you will see some kind of result immediately. If you're doing a workout program and you're going to the gym every day, you're watching your diet, you're avoiding all the foods, you're pushing past the cravings, you're going to the gym, you're looking in the mirror, you see nothing. Sometimes you even step on the scale and see nothing. You're like, what the heck? Something's happening though. Something's happening and you got to keep going. The beautiful thing is that this isn't like that. You put in the work in Tidy Tutor Masterclass and you will see results right away and you'll feel good about it. Is the whole house going to get cleaned up right away? Absolutely not. Everything takes time. We know that. You're going to put a cake in the oven that takes 40 minutes to bake and pull it out in 20 minutes. You ain't going to get a cake. There's no cake there, right? You are not going to have a cake. You're going to have a bunch of mush. Things take time, but it is nice that you don't have to dig up that seed to try to see is anything happening under there, that you don't have to keep going for such a long time and then finally bam, you see weight off, you see inches off, you see a muscle in the mirror. This is a beautiful thing. Please trust me, okay? Do it. Just do one thing and practice it. Everybody's at their own level, just like with dieting and anything else, right? So you want to move ahead what's best for you, but you definitely want to stretch yourself. One of the beautiful things is that you have the community. You could go in there and you could ask her advice. I'm starting in the master class, or I'm starting again in the master class, and I'm going to just stick to up to the daily routine for a week before I move on, for 2 weeks before I move on. What do you think? You'll get responses. I'll let you know. I'll say that's great. 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, jump into the next lessons. And then you could go to that. Now, if you're somebody that hasn't, say, showered in regularly in forever, then you might say, I'm just going to do my morning routine for 2 weeks. And my showering is going to be every Monday and Friday. If you hadn't showered for 2 weeks' time and you just did like a little like sponge bath or something, then showering twice a week And sticking to your morning routine is something to celebrate. So everybody is in their own lane and has their own journey. Okay. The fact is that you want to be on the road. Okay. Whether you're walking, you're jogging, you're on a moped, you're on a bicycle, you're in a car, running, whatever it is, it's your race. Okay. And it's not a race because there's no winner. It's your journey. Other changes take longer. Mindset, identity, confidence, new standards, trusting ourselves. These things take longer. Why? Because these are belief systems. It's not a knowledge thing. You could say 2 plus 2 is 4, 8, 10, 12 times. 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 plus 2, over and over and over again. You could remember 2 plus 2 is 4. Tomorrow you say 2 plus 2 is 4. But at the end of the week, you absolutely know 2 plus 2 is 4. It's not that hard. Your brain does not have to work that hard to remember that. But you have years and years of feeling unworthy, of feeling like, of having a standard of not taking care of yourself and living in clutter. You have a standard of not trusting yourself. You have any kind of situation that is a belief system about you, that's very different to change. All right, so I'm going to do 5 minutes on the clock. So you can take a 5 minute break. If you haven't had water yet, you definitely want to have water. All right, I'm going to set the timer now for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to drink some water, and I want you to do it too. Okay, and then keep going, and I'll let you know when the break is up, and then you get back to work. Okay. Now, if you don't want to take a break, you don't have to. I'll let you know when the time is up, and then we'll start another, and we'll be together a full hour, and you'll be getting stuff done. Okay. So what I was saying was that some things just take longer, and that's just the way it is. If there has been a groove in our brain for a long enough time, it's going to take a while for that groove to grow over and another one to form. We have to do it purposefully. That groove of identity, mindset, low confidence, any kind of new standards, that groove has been building for a long time. So we have to give it the time to grow over and have the other groove to build in there so that you can play a new song. These are more like the bicycle, the backwards bicycle that we talked about last week. You definitely want to watch this, okay? Progress, if you haven't seen it, I mean, if you haven't seen it last time, you definitely want to watch that replay. They're more like the backwards bicycle. Progress is happening before we can see it. Learning is happening before the breakthrough arrives. So what we remember with the bicycle, we saw that there was nothing he could do to ride it differently. They changed it, they played a trick on him, and they made it go right. When he turned the handles right, it went left. When he turned the handles left, it went right. And he thought, well, so now I know cognitively, I know what to do. I'll get on the bike and I'll just ride it. He couldn't. Some things we are physically unable to do until we get the practice in, because there is something in place in our brain that will not allow it. You cannot will yourself to change. You have to practice over and over again to change. That's what got us there to begin with. Now, remember my Al-Anon work that I talked about. I had to put in the work that I learned from Al-Anon about things that I needed to do, for things that I needed to do. One of them was to treat myself better and do things that I didn't normally do for myself. And it was painful. It was hard. Why? Because I wasn't used to doing those things. So when I started to do something simple, like going to being invited to an opera and going and making it be joyous, Well, it wasn't joyous. It was very difficult. I cried about it and I was so afraid and anxious and all of that during, before, and after because it was unnatural for me to do. It was something I didn't generally do. And that happened in a lot of things. And I talk about that in another place, one of our other sessions. And so the whole point to this is that I couldn't make myself be different, but I could make myself do the actions that it took so that eventually I could grow a new groove and then do things differently naturally.